a 7 out of 10.
Thank you for the commentary.
See, you can walk out there and let it come this way, then you're right.
Mm-hmm.
See, let it come from behind you.
I had never thought about that. That is
Never
right.
did like to start.
Nervous or something.
The way that everyone's coming at you, you can't remember that you're in the plane. If every wing drops, that's the way you want to go.
You see all the weight I got on the tail end of that thing?
Yeah, it's it.
It's on both sides, same amount.
That kind of scares me because I thought it flew pretty good before.
Well, lost its nose hit.
Was it? Well, we fixing to find out. Hell, I done lost it already.
Fast. I barely done it and it didn't do it. Naturally, it went a little bit worse. I done it more and then
That thing's so damn small, I done lost it. I can hear it.
I see it.
There, I got it. Lost it. Got it. Brian, that damn thing's too fast for this camera.
Yeah, I'll try and slow it down some.
It ain't much faster than that hog, is it? Ain't tail here, is it, Brian?
Don't slow it down too much.
Carol likes that shit like that.
It don't want to sink as bad as it did, does it? That's what?
So like, hey,
Just fall down, huh?
There's another thing, I've been having a hell of a time last week.
Good thing I managed to move those hay bales.
Yeah.
Real sluggish on bottom.
I got the entire cow family.
I'm gonna keep on practicing. You get another airplane one of these days. I usually won't practice.
You will act like that, so you would call it land. So each time you land, just get better.
If I can get like you said, so I can
See what I would do, we was just like this right here. And I'd go out yonder, and I'd be up a good little ways. And I wouldn't slow down. I'd line myself up so I could come all the way across that window. Then I could loop right here, go back. And I was up a pretty good little ways. And I lined myself all across that window. And when I around, right there, I'd get over there and I'd cross that spot. And let it go. So what when I left, I'd do the follow, come on, going up, that went up.
I was talking to him about you. I was going up there and sitting back.
So there, I got trim all the way down.
It's not fly. You know, that dad told you I'd say something burned up my bag.
You hear me? No, you can leave them.
You got the elevator trim all the way down?
No,
I
throttle.
leave mine on there. Like if I'm gonna fly in, I put them on there that morning. I have left them on there all night.
What you trying to say is you can't shut it off.
Can't shut it off.
Now, that could be fixed.
Well, what you gonna have to do? Run it out of fuel, I guess.
That's all the way down, Brian?
Yeah.
Holy crap. Throw a throttle to it and pull it back real quick. See if it idles down.
Nope.
What happens if you put that stop?
That's right, one side.
Down, get down.
Oh, it'll land at that speed.
Put on there, and we had stuck a cord in that thing where it held it wide open. If that thing took off, he took off fast. I said, what is it? He says, that thing's wide open. That boy come on through there, and he grabbed it, and he liked that wolf one on the back of the car.
Smooth.
It's about all you could do.
Very smooth landing.
The legs run out of gas.
I take that to be a 5 out of 10.
That's not good.
No, fine.
This, it's not too bad. It's not near as bad as flying that damn Ultimate that I flew. Turn it off.
Now if I hay, I had to roll that hay over and stop.
Hey, work.
This is why P's were never meant to fly above like 10 feet or so.
That son of a bitch didn't look like it was going that fast till it got near the ground.